Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to draw a crab. Yep, we're going to be proper pinchy. Now, let's go with this. We know we start with shapes. We always start with shapes. So what we're going to draw initially is a big oval. Not a huge surprise. That's what we're starting with. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong on that. You can be as rough as you like at this stage. What we're next going to do is on each side, going to bring these sort of shapes in. You can see it's already looking a little crabby with these little legs. Look at that. It's coming together already, isn't it? Now, I'm going to put these ovals up here. You know what they're going to be. If I attach them to the body, with just those bent lines, easy as that. We're going to follow those around like that, and then we know we're going to split those crabs open. So if you want, you can do a little line down there and a line down there, just to guide you for where it's going to be. We're going to do some zigzags on there to make it look even better. So normally on a cartoon crab, we have the eyes on the stalks. So again, we just do these slightly bent lines up like that on both sides and circles on the top of those. And then you can roughly put your smile in somewhere like that. Put it anywhere you like, really. You can even start putting spots on him or all sorts of things like that. But let's follow this through and ink some of the crab. So following that line all the way up there, stopping for the eye stalks. You don't have to. Depends on the style that you want to achieve. Follow that one round and back down there. Round for the eye. There we go. You can start filling that in as well if you want to. There we go. Now up on this side here, follow those big ovals round without going inside. Follow that one round without going inside as well. Now on this bit, this is where the zigzags I mentioned are going to come in. So I think if you start doing that, like that, all the way down to the point where you've indicated, and up like that again, we've got proper pinchy claws. Now, all like that on this one. Whoop, and then back up exactly the same way. And we can follow that right around like that. Arms in there. And then follow these legs. Follow these all the way around. And up. Round the other way again. There's the legs again. And add the big smile in there. You can draw some teeth if you like as well. And there he is. You colour that in red or blue, as they sometimes are under the sea. It's a wonderful crab. Really, really easy. Just basic shapes. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The buttons are here, or here, or here, or here. See you next time.